Hi Theaterites, in this micro explainer we're looking at safe, ethical, inclusive and sustainable work practices in VCE theatre studies. The success of the live theatre industry depends on safe and ethical practices. Every aspect of theatre production, from set construction and rigging to makeup and costume, must be safe for designers, performers and audiences. VCAR does not provide us with a conclusive list of these considerations. Rather, we should look to the industry for real examples. The Victorian Work Cover Authority website regularly updates OH&S regulation, and this is a great place to start when looking at safe and ethical practices. Creating inclusive theatre means ensuring people with a wide range of abilities and access needs can participate in and experience live performances. This includes considering accessibility in all production roles, as well as making thoughtful decisions about venue access, relaxed performance options, and any necessary visual or aural adjustments. For more detailed guidance on this and accessible inclusive practices, you could start by looking at Creative Australia Accessibility or Arts Access Victoria and Arts Access Australia. Where possible, apply environmentally sustainable work practices in your theatre making. This includes energy efficiency, sustainable materials, ethical sourcing of materials, and just generally considering how to actively reduce your carbon footprint when making the theatre. All design and technical elements are integrated into the rehearsal process during technical and dress rehearsal. In VCE theatre studies, this falls under presentation in the theatre production process. Safe events rely on thoughtful, detailed planning. A risk assessment helps you identify potential hazards and evaluate how likely they are to cause harm. Once the level of risk is determined, the planning team can prioritise these risks and put strategies in place to eliminate or control them. You can find plenty of sample risk assessments on theatre company websites or through a quick online search. Here are some obvious considerations I came up with in the theatre production process. These may seem like common sense, but if we are to replicate the skills and the requirements of the industry, then we must be accountable to the same standard and document the process. Another great location to find resources online is thedramateacher.com. You should do your research, create documents, and be informed. A safe workplace is vital, and it makes for a better experience for all.